Hi guys, Josiane here. Welcome to my channel. I'm at the Renaissance Hotel in Fort Lauderdale, 15-minute drive from the airport. I'm here for one night, so let's look inside. Let's take a look at the lobby. The hotel is not new, but I think it's big enough. And on the lobby, there are different sections. There's a lot of seating because sometimes there's a lot of people down here. And also there is a small restaurant here who serve only breakfast. Yes, and also here, look at the lobby, you see some decoration because it's around Christmas time. More seating to come because sometimes pretty packed here with a lot of people. And also with this beautiful Christmas tree, so big, grand, and very tall up to the ceiling. It's a nice place to take picture for the holiday. And now let's go look at the bar who serve drinks and also small meal like burger, fries, and stuff like that. They do have TVs. People can come watch the game if they like. But sometimes it get pretty packed because that's the only place they have. But it's good to have. This is the room located on the 11th floor, room 1103. So let's go look inside. When you enter the room, the first thing you see is the bathroom. Plenty of light inside. You have all the toiletry towels, soap, everything you will need in the bathrooms. And here is the toilet. So now let's look at the shower. The tub is pretty big and deep, enough to take a good shower. And also they do offer shampoo, conditioning, and body wash, so you can leave your at home. You don't need to carry that. So now let's go look at the closet. In the closet, as you can see, all our suitcases in there, so there's plenty of room if you are staying for longer for all your clothing. A lot of space, a lot of hangers. There's a lot of things you can put in there. Let's take a look at the bedroom. When you enter, you see a full view, and on the left is a full body mirror for you to get ready. Come very handy. And on this side of the bed, you see the lamp. All those that is where you can plug your phone. And then there is a clock also, and drawers to put more clothing. This is a king size bed. It was very comfortable. And this size of the bed is similar to the other side with drawers and the lamp also. Let's look on the other side. There is a big sofa lounge chair. You can sleep on it. From there, you can watch TV. You can relax when you're not doing anything. And on this side, there's a lamp. There's a chair, flat screen TV. And also they do offer you coffee and tea you can make in the morning. You don't have to go downstairs. That come pretty handy. They give you water every day with ice. Very nice. That was very useful. Let's take a quick look at the room because I have more things to show you downstairs. The hotel also have a nice pool. It's a good size. I always see people here cooling off with their children, spend the time here. Is very peaceful, private, and quiet. Is a good thing to have when you need it. Next to the pool is a small hot tub. On a cold day, you can come here to warm up. It's very private and quiet. Although I didn't see anybody there, but it's always something to have. The hotel also have a small gym. In this gym, from what I see, they have different type of machine to have a great workout. I see some electrical trainer, some treadmills. I see exercise balls, and I see bike, steppers, and sit-up machine. You have everything you need to have a great workout. Overall, guys, I love this room. It's pretty big and hairy. A lot of space, and I'm only staying here for one night, and I'm really going to enjoy it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.